Hey there, Scott Monday with Kitchen and Bath Crate, and today I want to show you a virtual tour of a recently completed kitchen-crate tops and splash project. Now, kitchen-crate tops and splash is our newest product, and it's meant for customers that just need new countertops, backsplash, and plumbing fixtures. It's an abbreviated project, quick timeline, and a very simple thing to accomplish that gives your kitchen, like the one I'm going to show you, a really fresh look. So let's dive right into kitchen-crate tops and splash, Sagewood Drive in Manteca, California. Now, one of the things that we encountered on this project was a standard tract house granite. This is a type of granite that we see all the time, and there's nothing inherently wrong with it. It just doesn't have a lot of visual interest. It's really a gray and white toned granite with a few kind of mocha colored specks throughout. Now you can see they also just had a 6-inch splash instead of full height splash, except at the cooktop where it went all the way to the underside of the hood. Now as you can see, the cabinets, they were in great condition. No need to do anything with those. This project just, once again, needed new countertops and backsplash. So the crate team came in, and what we did is we tore off all that old granite. We put in new plywood subtops, and that's simply the foundation of the new countertops. And we also, in this particular project, prepped the sink area for an apron front sink. Those are the kind of changes we can make with kitchen-crate tops and splash that just add another visual element. So we made that modification to the cabinets, and then the next day we came in and we installed the Bedrosian Statuario marble look polished quartz and a new white apron front sink. I really like this quartz. There's a lot of marble look quartzes out there, but this one has a very defined, detailed veining pattern. So it looks very authentic, very clean lines in terms of the veining, and it doesn't have any of that washed out or kind of out of focus look that you'll see with some of the lower end marble looked quartzes. Next, let's take a look at the backsplash on this project. Now, very common and popular backsplash that we're using on a lot of jobs because it just goes so well with so many different countertop choices. This is the Bedrosian's Chloe White 2.5-inch by 10-inch. It's a shimmery backsplash. It has some different tonality between the different pieces, and our tile setters are really good at making sure that that tonality is spread throughout the entire backsplash area. So once again, really like the way that this Bedrosian's Chloe pulls out the different features of the countertop and gives a really nice substrate to the backsplash wall. The last thing we did is we installed new plumbing fixtures, including a matte black faucet with a matching air switch for the garbage disposal and a new spigot for the purified water system. So there you go. There's your virtual tour of kitchen-crate tops and splash, Sagewood Drive in Manteca. If you would like to know more about your particular project, whether it be a kitchen or a bathroom, give us a call, 888-995-7996, or log on to kbcrate.com where you can schedule a phone consultation for a time that works for you. Thanks so much.